Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We are Andrew and Rochelle van Linde, your chief flight attendants for this evening. On behalf of our captains Neil and Chantal van Linde and our fantastic crew, we welcome you aboard High Five Airlines, where weddings take off. Unlike other airlines, we guarantee that you will arrive safely at your destination and not get lost somewhere over the Indian Ocean.
We are now preparing for takeoff, so please stow your inhibitions in the overhead compartment. Place your morals and values underneath the seat in front of you, and make sure your drink is in the upright position at all times. Please be cautious, your reputation might shift during the flight.
Any turbulence you may experience during the flight will be due to excessive dancing. Please ask us for assistance if you want to form a conga line, do the twist, or simply to get your foot loose.
The house rules will now follow. Anyone who fails to adhere to any of the above mentioned rules will be referred to the mothers-in-law. High Five Airlines is in no way responsible for any injuries you may sustain. The lavatories are situated outside the hall and to the right. They are not to be used for recreational purposes, nor for getting a head start on the honeymoon. Survival kits can also be found in the lavatories, with things like plasters, headache tablets, and rubbing alcohol. That's the one you can't drink.
Please be reminded that this is a non-complaining, non-smoking, and non-whining flight. Any of the above mentioned can be done outside. This includes any smoking, whining, or complaining caused by touching the electric fence, which will become active at 7 p.m. When we reach our cruising altitude, we will be turning off the seatbelt sign. Please move about the cabin as you wish, and if you need to go outside, remember that it is a bit chilly and walking on the wings affects our flight pattern.
The champagne bottle should only be opened once we have instructed you to do so. In the likely event of a toast, please ensure to fill your own glass before filling the passengers around you. As you exit the plane, make sure you gather all your belongings. Anything left behind will be distributed evenly amongst the cabin crew. Please do not leave any children or spouses.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you have any concerns or queries, do not hesitate to ask us for assistance. To grab our attention, just hold up a filled shot glass. We will be with you shortly. As always, we hope you enjoy your flight.
And thank you for flying High Five Airlines.
En nou vir iets bietjie meer sentimenteel. Ek en Rochelle het 'n paar minute waar ons kan praat oor enigiets waar ons wil, en ons wil praat oor hierdie twee mense. Vir my, vanaf ek 'n klein kind was Neil van der Linde die enigma, die legend. 'n Persoon het my een keer gesê dat hy 'n magneet is, en ek dink nie daar is 'n beter description vir hom nie. Neil, jy trek almal na jou. Almal sê jy is die mens saam met wie hulle wil kuier, en almal kuier altyd lekker met jou. Dit is hoekom Chantal die beste fit vir jou is. Chantal, jy is so dynamic. Jy is excellent. Jy is so welkom in hierdie familie, en ons welkom die res van jou familie ook. Never have I seen a match made in heaven until this day.
Neil was altyd een van my favorite mense word dit. Hy was ja. Hy was iemand wat altyd 'n groot rolmodel in my lewe was, soos jy dit weet, in my studies, hoe ek eendag wil groot word, hoe ek student wil wees, jy weet. En Neil het groot oomblikke saam met my beleef. Byvoorbeeld toe ek 6 jaar oud was daar 'n Barney the Dinosaur show, en niemand wou dit saam met my kyk nie, en julle het dit 2 keer saam met my gaan kyk. So dit was great. My heel eerste op die koppie experience was saam met hom gewees. Ek het bands soos Metallica, Bon Jovi, Red Hot Chili Peppers, Kings of Chaos en alles saam met hom beleef. En dis hoekom ek voel die persoon wat jou hart gevang het, moet nogals amazing wees. En ek dink, daar's hulle sê mos, there's always a reacher and a settler. Well, jy's kind of the reacher, aren't you? Nee, ek is so happy jy liefde gevind, en Chantal, ek is al klaar so lief vir jou. Dit is great om jou hier te hê in die familie en ek dink almal hier kan net sê wow. Ek hoop julle het 'n awesome tyd saam en mag vanaand een wees wat julle nooit sal vergeet. Ons is baie lief vir julle twee.